Welcome to Casey's SEO. Today, I just want to show you guys a quick tool that I've been working on, and we're going to test and see what happens. See if any improvements in rankings end up coming along. But here we go. We have this driving directions generator. So I use this in one of my other tools, but essentially, if let's say you have a local business and you need to create some more authority around your town or your neighborhood, you now have the option here to generate different driving directions. Now I did this a little bit different. If anybody knows anything about coding or anything like that, I could have used Google's API, but there would have been a fee associated with using the API, and depending on how many pages you are making, you can really rack up a bill. So not with this tool, but one of the other tools that I was using, which was very similar, I accidentally changed some code and it reverted back using Google's API, and within a day I had a $265 bill. So I don't want to make that mistake again. And here I'm just using different services with other free APIs, and I'm getting pretty good results. But so let's just say you have your business right here. You can add different locations or different neighborhoods, and it will go out and find the different coordinates and then generate a map with driving directions. So if we come over here to my website, I just started putting these in some different pages today. So I put them in a couple service pages and then different blog posts that have a location associated with them. So if we scroll all the way down, you can see I have some different driving directions, and this is just HTML that I went ahead and pasted in here. And for here, since this was Colorado Springs, I believe, yep, I kept all of the locations Colorado Springs. And then I'll show you a different page, what I did to make it relevant or more specific to an area but statewide. So if we go here, it randomly picked different coordinates throughout a location within 3 miles, and that's how I had that set up. So we have a street name, we have addresses, we have what my business address is here, and then we have some turn-by-turn information right here, which just gives more authority that you work in the area and you can service any people within these areas. Now, all of these are a little bit different. Why? Because they go to different locations. And here you can see some more. And then on this one, I just put 6. Typically, I just put 4, but we're going to see what happens. I have I think I have it set up so I can add 10 in if I really wanted to. But then here, so then if we go back to over to the home page, since this is the home page, it focuses more on like the state of Colorado. So then what we did here for these directions, we have Denver, and then we have some turn-by-turn stuff here, and then we go to Boulder, then Colorado Springs, down to Pueblo. So I just picked some of the closer, I guess, or larger cities and put those in there. Now, what I did for one of the other tools, which that is associated with, now you could use this for any type of HTML pages. You can build HTML websites with this or post them somewhere else for backlinks or whatever you want. But this is essentially fully automated. Now what it does is add in any information that I have in a company profile, little menu here. This takes and creates information based off a title, which the title is created off of the URL. And then if there's a location in here, it will keep that location, and then it will build our driving directions like we just saw. based off of that location. Now, if there is no location and I want to target something specific, I made a place in the company profile where I could list out, let's say, 40 different areas or neighborhoods that I want to work with, and then it would add that into the title, create content based off of that title and that service or blog post or whatever it is. Right up here, adds interlinks in for you, adds what a typical business may experience or why they would maybe want that service. You have a CTA, which is all based off of the title. And then we have different services, anything that you want to list in for services. And then right here we have our driving directions, and then I have different tabs for other things if you would like. So like we got related links, we have Wikipedia in here, and then we have the website, which was based off of what that page was. And then we have any videos with the description that has all the other links back to the other pages, which could be found also up there. Then we have a map and all that contact information with more links, etc. So we're going to see if I can create some more of these HTML pages, maybe build some other websites for my company, or if you guys have a local business that you want to go ahead and have me test some of this stuff for, I can generate some embed links for you with directions, create some different backlinks for you, things like that, and we can just test it and see how it goes. I do know that all the stuff that I have been doing does work, and sometimes it works really well, and other times it just works, just a little bit and get some additional rankings and movements for. So if, like I said, if you guys have any type of small local business that you guys want any help with, just send me an email and we can go ahead and talk, and I'll do some of this for you guys, and we'll see what the results are. If you have any other questions, just let me know.